Sharks have earned the title of being one of the smartest and most dangerous predators. This is partly due to their extremely acute sense of smell, which allows them to detect their prey from a great distance. Sharks can detect the presence of their prey from several miles away, which makes them highly dangerous. This is all thanks to their superior sense of smell and sharp teeth, making them a formidable hunter and one of the biggest threats in the sea. This example clearly shows us how crucial the sense of smell is to animals. We usually don't think twice about it. However, it is a very important part of nature that we must appreciate. As one of the most intelligent species, humans should not be the only ones to be valued or respected. Animals have evolved with impressive traits and capabilities over thousands of years that have allowed them to pass down information from generation to generation and help their young survive. Animals have distinctive and essential skills that allow them to hunt for food, escape from predators, and find a mate. One of the most impressive traits that some animals possess is their amazing sense of smell. This powerful tool helps ensure the survival of their species. These amazing sniffers possess an incredible sense of smell that can be used to detect or locate potential threats or even pick up on the scent of food miles away. If you're wondering which animals have the strongest sense of smell, we've compiled a list of the 10 best smellers. Discover who these gifted creatures are that can outsniff any living being. However, to understand why these animals possess such a superb sense of smell, let's first explore how their anatomy differs from other species. Through this, we can gain insight into the source of their heightened olfactory capabilities. Animals have evolved complex olfactory senses, which help them communicate, find food, and even protect themselves. Many creatures rely on their noses to locate scents, while others have a unique organ that functions just like a nose in order to identify and understand smells. Fragrances are very important to animals as they can use it for a variety of purposes, from foraging for food, socializing, marking their territory, attracting mates, to even detecting potential predators. Aside from the factors mentioned, characteristics such as the size of olfactory receptors in an animal's nose and the number of olfactory receptors, genes in their DNA, can also play a significant role in how well they are able to use their sense of smell. The more olfactory receptors genes there are, and the larger they are, the better the sniffer's capability. Additionally, certain animals with exceptional gifts possess a Jacobson's organ that allows them to sense pheromones. These hormones can modify the behavior of other creatures in their environment. Particular species of animals tend to have a larger portion of their brains devoted to the sense of smell, making them much more proficient at detecting odors than their counterparts. This superior sense of smell is invaluable for many purposes. The sense of smell varies from species to species, as some have a more acute ability to detect specific fragrances and others do not. This variance is mainly attributed to the environment the animal lives in. Animals have an incredible sense of smell, which can be used to track food. For some animals, it can also be used to detect potential predators from miles away, allowing them to stay safe and hidden in their defense. If you'd like to learn more about these amazing creatures that rely heavily on their sense of smell, stay with us and keep watching. Cows. Cloven-feet herbivores possess a remarkable sense of smell that is 1,100 times better than humans. This makes them incredibly adept at recognizing various smells, far greater than other large, domesticated animals. Their exceptional olfactory senses are a testament to their superior sniffing capability. Cows have an incredibly powerful sense of smell that can detect smells up to 6 kilometers away. This ability is highly beneficial as it allows them to detect potential danger far ahead of time and be better prepared for it. Moreover, their powerful sense of smell serves as an effective self-defense mechanism. These animals have an extremely well-developed sense of smell, so much so that they can detect their meals from miles away. They become eager and excited even before the tractors pull up to their barns. Cows not only have an extraordinary sense of smell, but they also have incredibly sharp hearing. Their ability to smell well allows them to understand their surroundings and identify upcoming activities in advance. Kiwis. Kiwis are rare and fascinating birds, known for not being able to fly and having a long beak. This long beak is specially designed to help them sniff out food easily despite their poor eyesight. This sense of smell serves an important role in their lives, all thanks to their remarkable beaks. Scientists have found that kiwis have specialized beaks with sensory holes which help them detect prey beneath the ground. Additionally, these birds have one of the most impressive olfactory bulbs among avian species, and a large portion of their brain is dedicated to smell. The special arrangement of the kiwi's nostrils at the tip of its bill makes it easier for this bird to find and acquire food. This arrangement offers a real advantage when it comes to seeking sustenance. Ground-dwelling birds are unable to fly, which resulted in their bodies developing a strong sense of smell. This incredible smelling ability allows them to hunt for food and survive in the wild. Snakes. Snakes have an incredibly sharp sense of smell that makes up for their lack of hearing and vision. This remarkable olfactory power helps them stay safe and efficient predators despite having a disadvantage in other senses. Even though their sense of smell is enhanced by a nose, these reptiles also have a set of organs called the Jacobson's vomeronasal organ on the top of their mouths. This further amplifies their sensitivity to detect scents. When presented with a scent, they open their mouths and flick out their tongues to assess the aroma, responding accordingly. Snakes possess two-pronged tongues that are capable of detecting odor molecules in the air. Their brains process these aromas swiftly, thereby enabling them to quickly zero in on their prey. Owing to these keen senses, they can be very dangerous predators and instill fear in the hearts of many across the globe. Snakes possess a strong sense of smell, which helps them remain aware of their environment, and thus survive just like sharks. Turkey vultures. Turkey vultures are considered the most abundant bird species on the planet. This is mainly due to their well-developed sense of smell, which gives them a unique edge over other birds. Turkey vultures have a unique feature that makes them so successful in locating new meals: their sharp sense of smell. To aid this ability, they possess an abnormally large nasal cavity and olfactory bulb, which is 4 times larger than that of the black vulture. Their wings are shaped like boomerangs, and surprisingly, these birds are almost completely hairless. Turkey vultures have much smaller brains than black vultures, yet they contain twice the amount of mitral cells. These cells act as proxies for their sense of smell and are responsible for sending olfactory data to the brain. As such, their smelling power is remarkable despite their tiny brain size. With their powerful senses, they are able to detect dead animals from a great distance of up to 1 mile away. Going beyond their capabilities, they are also adept at detecting faint odors of sulfur compounds and gaseous streams present in the atmosphere hundreds of feet above ground. Once detected, they have a natural inclination to patrol their surroundings to trace the source of scents. Dogs. Dogs possess an extraordinary sense of smell, making them capable of detecting unique aromas that would otherwise go unnoticed. This allows them to be drawn towards fragrances that are strange, enthralling, and peculiar. Bloodhounds, famed for their powerful noses, have a sense of smell that is 300 times keener than humans. Even after 2 weeks have passed, they can still pick up on a scent. Additionally, bloodhounds can track scents across incredibly long distances. Some reports say up to 100 miles. The police have been using their impressive proficiency to investigate criminal activities, look for missing people, and track down offenders. This has been a common practice among law enforcement to get the job done quickly and accurately. Besides being small in size, basset hounds have long, floppy ears, which help them capture. Additionally, thanks to the facial and neck folds they possess, they are able to hold these smells nearer to themselves as they search for trails. Dogs have an amazing sense of smell, which makes them perfect for detecting explosives or drugs. With the right training and familiarization, they can be great assets in security and law enforcement. Dogs are widely known for their sense of smell, so it makes sense that they can be used in novel ways to identify missing persons. They are especially adept at recognizing scents commonly associated with humans because they become familiar with them over time. This means they have the potential to reliably locate people based on the scent of their clothing. Silk moths. Silk moths possess an extraordinary sense of smell, being able to detect a scent from up to 8 miles away. This impressive feat displays the true power and accuracy of their smelling capabilities. Male moths have a keen sense of smell, which allows them to detect a female moth's aroma from far away. This is an extraordinary adaptation, demonstrating the animal's remarkable olfactory capability. Unlike humans, male silk moths do not have any noses. However, they do have large antennae which are quite sensitive to odors and can pick out a single pheromone of an opposite-sex female moth from over 7 miles away. This is possible due to the special scent receptors located in their big, beautiful antennae. Moths have an incredibly sharp sense of smell, which has been known to be able to identify the scent of a female moth from a great distance. This is due to their antennae, which can pick up on hormone particles in the air. This ability has evolved specifically for them. allowing them to detect their mates even in vast areas. Female moths are able to navigate the mating process by analyzing the aroma of male moths. This scent helps them determine whether they are suitable for reproduction or not. Bears. Bears possess an outstanding sense of smell that allows them to detect food from long distances. Their noses are equipped with thousands of specialized odor receptors, which make their olfactory power 100-fold more powerful than humans. Bears have a remarkable sense of smell that can allow them to detect food being prepared in the woods. When camping, it's important to be mindful as bears may be drawn by the scent of food, particularly if it is something they find appetizing. Polar bears and silver-tip grizzlies are renowned for their excellent sense of smell. In fact, it's believed to be stronger than even the sniffing abilities of dogs. This strong sense allows them to smell a dead animal from 20 miles away, an incredible feat. Grizzlies possess an outstanding sense of smell, far surpassing any other creature. This is due to the fact that their olfactory bulb area is significantly larger than that of a human's, 5 times bigger to be exact. This quality makes them both intimidating and captivating species at the same time. Rats. Rats possess an incredibly sharp sense of smell, which makes them much more reliable than mice when it comes to scenting. In fact, their olfactory capabilities are amongst the best in terms of all mammal species. These animals are blessed with better sniffing capabilities, thereby enabling them to feed on a more varied and adjustable diet when compared to cats. Thanks to their thousands of olfactory receptor genes, rats possess a very sensitive sense of smell. These scent receptors, located in the back of their neck, enable them to detect scents as soon as air passes by their nose. Rats have the ability to detect and differentiate various members of their species, thanks to the vomeronasal organ. This organ processes odor molecules which it picks up from pheromones that have been released. The African giant pouched rat is an unbelievable creature, as despite its petite size and poor vision, it has an incredibly keen sense of smell that more than makes up for it. This remarkable trait allows them to be trained to detect landmines and buried bombs in conflict zones. Truly incredible. Elephants. Elephants have a remarkable sense of smell, allowing them to differentiate between 2 plates with different amounts of food, as we can too. This impressive olfactory ability is something that makes an elephant unique. Elephants have an advanced sense of smell thanks to the 2,000 genes devoted to it. This enables them to pick up and distinguish a variety of odors. Elephants possess an exceptional scent ability that is extremely useful when it comes to finding water sources. This amazing capability helps them discover underground water, which would be hard to otherwise locate, even up to 12 miles away. Stunningly, African elephants are renowned for their ability to differentiate between odors according to specific molecular structure. This incredibly impressive feat is beyond human capabilities, and even surpasses those of other animal species. Elephants have more than one use for their trunks. Beyond its primary function of breathing, the nostrils at the top of an elephant's trunk can also be used to sniff and draw moisture from their surroundings. Elephants possess an extraordinary sense of smell, making them one of the most adept animals in the detection of scents. They have a remarkable ability to discern various aromas using their trunks and can make use of this talent in several activities throughout their lives. Sharks. Sharks are one of the deadliest animals in the oceans, and their sense of smell is a major component of their hunting capabilities. It is actually so crucial that it takes up 2/3 of its brain. That's why sharks rely heavily on recognizing scents for prey. Sharks are fearsome hunters, able to detect the location of an injured marine creature and even a human over great distance. This remarkable ability has helped them become successful predators in the ocean. Sharks possess a remarkable ability to detect smells by taking advantage of the ocean currents. The faster the current, the more rapidly molecules from distant scents reach their noses. It can take a while for these molecules to travel long distances and get to them. It's imperative to get out of the ocean as soon as you realize there is a shark nearby. Prolonging your stay in the water would be an unwise decision since sharks may mistake you for their dinner. These creatures have a special feature: nostrils located at the sides and base of their snouts. This trait actually helps them as it keeps water flowing over their noses and provides them with exceptional hearing and smelling capabilities. An incredible sense of smell is one of the most remarkable attributes that animals possess. They can detect a single drop of blood in around 100 liters of water, which is simply amazing. It's truly incredible that certain creatures can depend entirely on their sense of smell to survive. This sets them so far apart from the rest of the animal kingdom, as they have unique adaptations and live in ways we could hardly imagine. It's remarkable how they rely only on their sense of smell to defend and thrive.